OGD, Otumba, Gbenga, former governor of Ogun State, the civil senator representing Ogun State in the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And he's on his way to Nigeria to go and take care of the federal constituency election, which comes up on the 16th of October. August. 16th of August. And he has assured me that definitely APC will triumph on that day by the grace of God Almighty. And that he's working closely with the Excellency Akpabio and other stakeholders to make sure that the candidate of the APC is returned to the Federal House of Representatives. And let me use this opportunity to condole you also on the demise of the former House member who was actually one of the leaders of the House of Assembly. She was a very vibrant lady. She did her best for this country, and unfortunately, God has called her to help. And I still receive the so safe journey to Nigeria. Thank you. Let them know that I'm solidly behind our candidates in Ogun. Federal constituency, which is actually the federal constituency.
Yes, it is.
And the federal constituency of the governor.
Yes, it is. It is the most important federal constituency.
Was that also the federal constituency of Kashimu?
No, but the same senatorial district.
The same senatorial district. I know. I'm former vice president too.
Right. Former vice president, the same local, the same.
Yes. Okay, that's fantastic. So I will expect that all is well. We have all the symbols. And then we have the political movements. I don't see anything wrong there at all. So congratulations in advance. I expect to hear good news on Sunday.
Yes, Senate President, I'm so excited. Because the news out there is that you are indisposed. And here you are. Congratulations in return.
If you listen to social media, you will go to work.